Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and lift the cover off the tower. Identify the coin cell battery and use a flathead screwdriver to remove it from the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, place it back in the system. Secure the side cover of the tower with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.